Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video from, and depending on the time you are coming across this video. So when you want to tie this head wrap, just pick your material up like this, fold a little bit in, and you make this pleat like this. After making the pleat, you use an elastic band to hold it there. Okay, let me remember to tell you that if this fabric I'm using is in 3 layers of ashoki joined together. So after that, you use the elastic band there and you raise this particular part up before placing it on your head, like halfway like this. Then after that, this place you like to you're going to make 3 pleats or 4, just a little pleat in short. After making that pleat, you're going to take the excess back to the back of your head, like this. When you take it to the back of your head, you are bringing it back forward to meet this one that you have done. When you bring it back to the front, you also arrange the pleat very well, both right and left. You arrange it properly. So after aligning them well, the next thing is to be turning the excess round that pleat that flowery shape that you have already created. You take the excess round it. So focus your eyes and see the way I'll be doing that now. So it is very simple, guys. Very simple. Try it out, lay your hands on it. So I'm trying to roll it. So I'm going for the last time because I can see that the remaining fabric is small. So I make a hole there, which I'll be securing the excess in, like I'm tying it up. Hope you can get this, like I'm tying that place up. So I'll pull it out. Yeah, I've done that now. Pulled it out, and the excess I have left, I'll dip it right at the middle, like yes, this place, dip it there and use my office pin to tack it down. Yes, I'll use my office pin. So my people, this head wrap is simple, very simple. That flower you can use to make any design. That's why playing with it can give you shape, but I decided to go for this shape for today. This is what I have. So focus your eyes and watch the shape that I've got in there. Don't forget to like, share, comment in the comment section. Okay, so I'm trying to secure the shape with my office pin. I'm trying to secure it with my office pin. After securing with my office pin, I am done. You can see I don't have a very wild face. If I have, it would have come out more bold than this. So here is the shape. I don't know if you like it. Tell me if you like it in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it so that it will reach more people. Okay, so here's the back. I'll see you in my next video, guys.